Hi, my name is Natalie Lewis. I found out about the Julie Tupler Technique on the internet, and I decided to do the study because it sounded like a great opportunity to get even more help with the injections, with the platelet injections. And I was just tired of having a huge belly and looking like I was 4 or 5 months pregnant. And I also wanted the contact with Julie because I first was interested in the study, in her program about 3 years ago, and I ordered the DVD, but I wasn't confident that I was doing it right, and I was worried that maybe I wasn't doing it right. So I wanted that connection to make sure that I was doing it right, wearing the splint correctly and doing the exercises correctly. And I've had amazing results. It's incredible, the before and after pictures, and we're only halfway through. The before and after pictures, it really literally looks like I must have like a small watermelon in my lower abdomen, and now it's almost normal. It's incredible, and I'm so happy. And the only thing I wish I had done it sooner. I wish I hadn't waited. My son is 7 years old now. I could have been enjoying a flat belly and a strong body for 7 years.